Okay, that's where Mama. Very nice and lovely place. Very lovely place. Very, very lovely place. Another place like that. Google bus where Mama. Very lovely place. Very lovely place. This is a very nice place to be. Always come. Come, it's a very nice place. Otago. Come to holidays in Deutschland. It's a good place for a tourist destination. Very lovely place. Yes. Very lovely place. Look at how the city is. The house is on both sides of the water. Both sides of the water. You can climb to this mountain, and from there you can jump to this river and enjoy yourself. If you know how to understand. If you can jump, you jump. If you cannot, just no need of. Just see water. It's like me, I enjoy myself. That is always the best thing.